Good evening, guys, and thanks for joining me. This is Ryan with Pro Futures Group. This is the daily recap for Crude Futures for June 4th, 2020. So we're going to start by going over the morning outlook that was posted at 7:50 in the morning. CL traded in a tight range in the Globex session last evening. There's still news that the OPEC meeting was under pressure due to nonconformity, so there could have a lot of potential volatility in the market. Crude, what is technically still bullish based on the big run-up that we've had over the weeks, and it does have a long way down to go before it loses the high time frame bullishness. So, I was being very cautious today. We had minor support at 36.45 and again used 37.05 as resistance. So we had some other minor supports on the way down, which is 36.20 and 35.90. So we seem to be holding these levels fairly well. I was looking for shorts underneath 36.90. And just looking to see kind of what happened through the day. So as you can see, we spotted our resistance here is at 37.05 and 37.60. Like I said, if it got above 37.05, we were looking to get long there, and 37.60 was our major resistance. So for support, we had 36.45, which is what the Globex held, and so I kind of let everybody know that if it gets above 36.05, definitely the momentum is still continuing upward. If we lose 36.90, we're looking for let's see, if we lose 36.90, they'll be looking for 35.45 as for potential longs. So, so let me just get right to the recap and get this going. So this was the Globex session. We really just traded in a tight range last night. As you could see, even from the picture I posted here, based on the volume profile, all evening, all it did was trade in a range, created a nice bell-shaped curve. It almost stayed there throughout the entire morning. So you can see that even in the morning, we used 36.05 for resistance, which was stated in the outlook. We came back down and we still tested the 36.45 area, which is what Globex held during the evening session. We did use it for support. We came back up and we actually gained this level here, which is the 37.05, which I stated if we got above it, we were looking for longs. It did end up progressing upward, but it ended up doing exactly what we thought, which was using 37.60 as the major resistance, which is the same resistance from yesterday, as you can see, which is a 1 year resistance level. So this is going to be a big level for this thing to get above. If we get above 37.60 and hold it, we're definitely looking for more higher, but for right now, it's been our cap. So something to keep an eye on for sure. If you were in the room this morning, we took one short this morning, as you can see here. We took this short here, and we took it down to 36.71 or 36.70, I believe. So we took it from here to here. It's a nice 25 tick short. I knew that this was my resistance. I had a small stop here. I think it was 8 ticks. It wasn't a big deal. So it's from here to here. It was definitely worth the risk, and it paid off well. Came down and hit our target. Actually went a few ticks lower. So we ended up getting long when we got above 36.05, and we used 37.60 as our target. So it was kind of a slow day today. We traded within a range most of the day. It wasn't until the late afternoon that we got above our long area here, and we got to get a little piece of the action. So that's pretty much the recap for today on Crude Futures, and I appreciate you guys joining in with me. Have a good one.